Hey guys, I'm Apurba from bloggingmaker.com. Welcome to my ProfitApp review. ProfitApp is a drag and drop fully cloud based app builder where you can turn any website or page into fully functional app. There is a drag and drop features where you can create fully functional app easily from any website, any page. So in this video we will going to see how you can create an app, and we'll go through the features of the software and the bonuses which I pick only for this software. You didn't find anywhere else. So if you find this video is interesting, then please stick with me in this video and do subscribe to my channel for further valuable information about make money related softwares. So let's start the video. So as you can see, we are here at the dashboard of ProfitApp. Okay, here is a welcome video. Here you can see there is a welcome video, and you have to click on this start building your app here. So I just click on it. Okay, let's see the dashboard of ProfitApp. So this is the dashboard. Here you can see this is the dashboard of ProfitApp. Here is the my apps, notification, download, support, training, and this is the download layout plus app builder. This is a plugin for you can use on your WordPress website. Okay, so let's get to the training session and let's see what are the trainings they provide about their software. So there is so many training available. Here you can see templates editor, download HTML or CSS of your app, and here you can see download the plugin Profit with ProfitApp. Okay, so there is so many trainings available, and they can add many trainings after you purchase. You can see the trainings more than here. Okay, so let's get to the my app area. Okay, so here you can create your own app. I'll show you. You can create I will create my app from my website. So here you can see some website some apps are already created here. Here you can see Pixabay, Blogging Maker, Ninja. So I will delete this. You can delete it, you can edit it, you can view it from here. So I just delete it because I will create the same app here. Okay, so I will delete it and show you how you can create your own app from your own website. Okay, so let's start it. Okay, wait, it will be loaded. Okay, so let's here you have to click on these buttons and create app. Okay, so let's create an app. You have to give a name. So I just give a name for my website. Okay, this is my website. I just pick the website URL here. So you have to give your favicon icon link. So if you don't have any favicon icon link, don't put anything. I just put my blogging URL here also, and let's create app here. So they will fetch my front page, the home page of my website. I'll show you how it's look. Wait. After that we will see the bonuses which I pick for you. Here you can see the bonus page link you will find in the description. So very informative and very effective bonuses are there, so you can use it on your ProfitApp also. Okay, so here you can see this is the my website, and this is the app which it fetch. So this is my website. Here you can see this is my website. Okay, and this website is fetched by ProfitApp and make it as a apps, make it as a apps which is compatible with iOS and Android also. So this is it, and in this notification section you can send the notification throughout your apps, throughout your different apps. Okay, so here you can see send notification. So you have to create like title like SPECIAL, special bonuses, special offer for just 6 hours. Okay, So here you have to put some information like this t-shirt is discount for only just 6 hour and something like that. Okay, after that you have to give a icon URL, and let's put something best t-shirt for offer. Okay, best t-shirt for offer, and you have to give your icon name and then select the apps where you can send the notification. Okay, so I just select 4 of here, and after that send. So this notification will be sent throughout these apps. Okay, so you can see the download option here. You can download the app at HS, and you can upload it on your website through the plugin. So this is the plugin. So if you click on this, you will see a plugin is loaded. I'll show you. The plugin is loaded. Here you can see ProfitApp zip. So you have to upload this zip file on your website. So I didn't download it right now. So let's see the bonuses, and if you want to see the further information and more detailed information, then you can see this. This is the a demo from vendor. So you will find this demo in my bonus page. The bonus page link in the description below. Just go to the description. The first link will be the bonus page link. So this bonus pages look like this. Brand new cloud mobile app makers let you create unlimited mobile apps for iOS and Android within minutes. So this software is launched on 20th April 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. And here is you can see what is ProfitApp, the features of ProfitApp. Here you can see ProfitApp gives you access to 100% drag and drop app builder. ProfitApp comes with done for you app templates that are proven to convert, send unlimited app notification to customers' phone and lock screen, one-time payment only, no monthly fees. ProfitApp is both iOS and Android compatible. Get rid of monthly payments to expensive app builder platforms. In-depth and step-by-step training. Simply copy and paste one line of code. ProfitApp has groundbreaking built-in lead generation via social media, the highest converting features for you to rack in top commission. There is a price and upsells of this ProfitApp software, and there is a demo and the bonuses. So let's see the bonuses. The first bonus is one-to-one support call. So you can call me, you can message me anytime. I will provide my information like WhatsApp and email, everything I will put in that bonus page, where you can contact me if you find any problem regarding this software. So I will contact you with the vendor. Okay, so after that, my second bonus is SEO skill mastery. So here is the SEO skill mastery course, where you can know how to do the SEO for your website, so that your website is ranked on Google first page. Okay, next is email marketing basic to advanced training. So this is the email marketing titan training you can get free, which is price at least $467. Okay, next is how you can get traffic from Google. There is a tricks and tactics there. So I'll show you how you can get more and more organic traffic from Google's. Okay, so next bonus is all the vendor bonuses. So these are the vendor bonuses which you get. I'll show you. These are the vendor bonuses which you get. So these are 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 exclusive bonuses with a resell right. So here you can see logo maker, logo studio, video strike, ultra vidpix pro, webby app. So you can pause the video and read the description of the software. So feel free to pause the video here. Okay, and these are the softwares: vid connected, supremacy, avmatic. Next one is vidlock, vid promo pages. Okay, so these are the vendor bonuses, and let's go and see where you can get the bonuses, all my bonuses and vendor bonuses. So after purchasing the software, this you will redirect it to the thank you page of Warrior Plus. So this will look like this. Here you can see thank you for your purchase. You will look like that, and you have to click on these buttons. Here you can see access affiliate bonuses. So you have to click on this to access all the bonuses and all the vendor bonuses also. So this page is only for 4 days and 5 hours. So this timer hits 0 and the bonus page will be expired. So take action as soon as possible. So you have to click on these buttons. Here you can see click here to secure your copy and bonuses. So you have to click on these buttons to redirect it to the sales page. So the sales page is look like something this. It's loading. So this sales page is look like this. Here you can see brand new cloud mobile app maker lets you create unlimited mobile apps for iOS and Android within minute. Okay, so sales pages look like that. I will show you. So thanks to new ProfitApp cloud software, these are the step 1, step 2 and step 3, and some testimonials here. Here you can see. Okay, some information, valuable information about this software. Okay, going after that I'll show you the vendors. Wait, these are also testimonials, some information. Okay, so these are the vendors. Here you can see these are the creators mainly. So Radu and Mike and Kalin. So these are the creators of the software. You will get a 30 days money back guarantee also, and highly secured payment. So you can try it for 30 days. If you find this is not what you think, so you can return it and get your 100% balance back. Okay, so here you can see some another information like all with one click and 100% automated inside ProfitApp. Okay, these are the features of this software. Okay, so this is pretty much it. And if you want to get more information, then you will click on the link in the description and find this demo from vendor, from creator. So you will get more details information about this software. Okay, so thank you guys. I hope you love the video. I hope you understand what is ProfitApp is, and please do subscribe. And if you find anything less, then please comment down below. I will reply it to you as soon as possible. Okay, thank you guys. Bye bye, take care, see you again.